In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlist products from search and collections on Shopify. If you're looking to temporarily hide certain products from your store's search results or collections, you'll find this guide both quick and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, notice the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. This area is where you'll find a comprehensive overview of all the products currently listed in your store. Now, the next step is to decide which products you'd like to unlist. As you review your product inventory, you'll see a list of all your items. To the left of each product, there's a small checkbox. Click on these checkboxes next to the products you wish to unlist. You can select multiple products at once, which is particularly convenient if you have several items you want to manage simultaneously. Once you've made your selections, direct your attention to the upper section of the product table. You'll notice a 3 dots icon situated above the list. This icon represents additional actions you can take. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're looking for the option labeled Unlist. Clicking Unlist will initiate the process of removing these products from search and collections within your store. The final step is crucial to ensure your changes are saved. Find the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the page, and click it. By doing this, you're confirming with Shopify that you want these changes to be permanent. And there you have it. You have just unlisted your selected products from both search results and collections in your online store. It's a straightforward process that can be easily reversed whenever you're ready to list those products again. To do so, you would follow a similar set of steps, selecting the relist option from that same drop-down menu. Keeping your product listings organized and updated is key to an effective online storefront, and learning how to manage what's visible to your customers is a valuable skill, whether you're hiding seasonal products, managing inventory levels, or preparing for new stock. This feature ensures that your store reflects only the items you're ready to share with the world. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out more tips and tutorials to help you make the most out of your Shopify experience.